Hey everyone, welcome back to GPLGOLD. Today, we are taking a close look at the Eduversita Elementor Template Kit. If you are building a website for a university, college, or any online educational platform, this kit is incredibly clean and professional. Let's break down the homepage together. Starting right at the top, we have a beautifully structured header. You've got your logo on the left, a clear drop-down menu for all your main pages in the center, and a standout, admission, call to action button on the right. It's designed to instantly guide prospective students to apply. Right below that is the hero section. It features a bold, inspiring headline, a great placeholder for your campus background image, and a primary, Apply Now, button. It makes a very strong first impression. Overall, the Eduversita kit is packed with value, highly responsive for mobile, and incredibly easy to customize. How to download? To get this template, just click the link in the description below. This will take you to the details page where you can check out a live demo. When you're ready, hit the Download Now button. You'll just need to wait for a quick 60-second countdown, and then your template will be ready to download.